Good evening, viewers. Thanks to all of you for watching my videos. Today, I will present you some wonders from the sea by some of the sunrise, sunset, and sky pictures. With this, I will try to share some lines with you from all time favorite character's biography. He is none other than Mr. Charlie Chaplin. Nothing is eternal in this world, not even our problems. I like to walk in the rain because no one can see my tears. The most wasted day in my life is the day we don't laugh. Best doctors in the world: sunshine, rest, exercise, diet, self esteem, friends. So be with them and enjoy healthy life. If you see the moon, you will see beauty of God. If you see the sun, you will see power of God. If you look in the mirror, you will see God's best creation. Believe it then. We all are tourists. God is our travel agent who already made our itineraries, bookings, and destinations. Trust Him and enjoy life. Life is a journey. Live today and enjoy the music. Thank you.
চিরদিন কেন পাই না ক্ষণিক আলোকে আঁখির পলকে তোমায় যবে